today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on the self-cleaning program of your dryer. This would apply for the brands Bosch and Siemens, and I'll also add my personal touch to it and show you which cleaning agent you can use. So what you need for this procedure is hot water and limestone dissolvent, which is basically a cleaning agent for coffee machines, but it will do its purpose well here. So we're going to start by cleaning the water filter first, which is located here. You can take it out. Mine looks pretty good, but if there's any gunk, just remove it and put it back in. So make sure you have hot water. So make sure you have hot water and then put all the cleaning agent inside. Just empty it in there. After you have all of it, we're gonna take the upper compartment and fill it up with hot water. Make sure it goes around. I think it's pretty full, so it has to be filled up all the way up, and then we put it back in. After that, we turn on the self-cleaning program. Now, to turn on the self-cleaning program, you will need to go to the maintenance menu, which is not stated anywhere, and there's no instructions on how to go there. We'll be doing this for this kind of a model of dryer that doesn't have any display. What you need to do is turn the program button to 6 o'clock. After that, you need to press this button and turn one more program clockwise, and then it's going to indicate that you are in the maintenance menu. Now where we need to go now is one more program clockwise, and that would be here. After we're here, we need to press the start button, and then the self-cleaning program will start working. You will start hearing the pump first, which is pumping water from the under compartment to upper one. Now the program has finished. You can basically do this program as many times as you want. I would recommend around 5 times, and after the 5th time you have to empty the upper compartment, empty all the water, and then do one more program, so it will be 6 altogether. Now make sure when you're emptying the water that you clean the filter as well, the small filter inside. So after the first cleaning program, this is how much came out. I'm going to try and do a couple more cycles. I'm sure more will come out. If you want to do another cycle, you just need to press the start button again, and it's going to start all over again with the cycle. Now I'm gonna try and capture the process for you, so you can see what's actually happening as the program is running. Now this is the self-cleaning condenser, the radiator basically. It's on the same principle as the fridge. And what the problem is, that these small openings are being clogged with dust, and that is why you have this problem. Now the water that we have on the upper compartment is going to fall drastically into that area and clean the openings. Now here it is after the last cycle. There's still quite a lot came out. Now you can decide yourself if you want to do the cycle again, but I think for the purpose of this video that's enough for now. Now if you find the video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, give me a subscribe. And if you didn't, don't hit any button, just leave it alone.